In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy trade on the Binance mobile app, regarded by many as the best copy trader platform available today. We'll walk you through each step to get you started on this exciting and potentially profitable venture, all within about 5 minutes. First things first, you need to ensure that your Binance app is up to date with the latest version. Updating the app will help you avoid any potential bugs that could interfere with the copy trading process. Once updated, go ahead and open the app and make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one and go through the standard verification process, but today we'll assume you've already done that. Now that you've entered the Binance app, your next task is to navigate to the trade section. This is easily done by tapping on the trade icon located at the bottom of your screen. From there, you will find an option for copy trading or copy bot. Select this option, and this is where you'll start to see the magic of copy trading unfold. In the copy trading section, you'll be presented with a list of top performing traders and bots. This is like window shopping for success because you'll see key statistics on each trader, including their return on investment or ROI, their risk level, and how many followers they currently have. It's like having instant access to a financial report card for each option. Take your time to review these stats. It's important to choose a trader whose strategy resonates with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Once you've found a trader or bot that seems promising, tap on the copy button next to their name or profile. This action will allow you to start the copy trading process. But before you dive in, you have to decide on how much of your funds you'd like to allocate to copy this trader. It should be an amount you're comfortable with considering the volatility of markets and the inherent risks involved. After setting the amount, it's crucial to fine-tune your trading settings. This includes setting up parameters like stop loss and take profit, which are essential tools to manage your risk and lock in profits. Additionally, you'll want to adjust the copy ratio, which determines how closely your trades will mirror those of the trader you are following. Finally, take a moment to review all your settings for any last-minute adjustments. Once you're satisfied, confirm your settings and officially start the copy trading process. From this moment on, all the trades that your chosen trader executes are mirrored automatically in your account. And that's it. You are now actively copy trading on Binance.